Hi there! Welcome to our journey of transforming your living space into a true reflection of your personality and style. Let's talk about making your house a home, a place where every corner tells a story and every item has a personal touch. You don't need a big budget or fancy designers to achieve this. With a bit of creativity and some thoughtful planning, you can create a space that feels uniquely yours. This is about you and your personal touch. It's about infusing your personality into every nook and cranny of your home. It's amazing what a little creativity can do. A simple DIY project can transform an ordinary item into something extraordinary. We'll explore simple DIY tips and budget-friendly ideas to transform your space. From repurposing old furniture to creating new decor items from everyday objects, the possibilities are endless. Remember that old dresser you inherited? It might look outdated now, but with a bit of paint and some new hardware, it can become a stunning focal point in your room. Or that stack of colorful scarves in your closet. They can be turned into beautiful wall hangings, or even used to upholster a chair. They can become unique decor pieces. By thinking outside the box, you can find new uses for items you already have. We'll find ways to repurpose, refresh, and reinvent. It's all about giving new life to old items and making them work for your space. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and have some fun. DIY projects are not only cost-effective, but also incredibly rewarding. Let's unlock the potential in every corner and create a home that reflects your unique style. Are you ready? Let's get started. One of the best places to find unique decor items is at thrift stores. You never know what treasures you might uncover. From vintage furniture to quirky knickknacks, thrift stores are a goldmine for budget-friendly decor. Once you've found your treasures, it's time to get creative. A coat of paint can completely transform a piece of furniture. Add some stencils or decals for a personal touch. Don't forget about plants. Adding greenery to your space can make it feel more vibrant and alive. Plus, plants have the added benefit of purifying the air. Creating a gallery wall is another great way to personalize your space. Mix and match family photos, artwork, and even some of your DIY projects to create a wall that tells your story. Handmade items can add a special touch to your decor. Whether it's sewing your own cushions or knitting a throw blanket, these items add warmth and personality to your home. Setting up a cozy reading nook is a great way to create a personal retreat within your home. Add a comfortable chair, some soft lighting, and a few of your favorite books. Don't forget about functional decor. Organizing your home office with stylish storage solutions can make your space more efficient and enjoyable to work in. As you add the final touches to your space, take a step back and admire your work. You've created a home that is uniquely yours, filled with items that tell your story. Now, it's time to enjoy your beautifully styled home. Relax, unwind, and take pride in the space you've created. Your home is a reflection of you, and it should be a place where you feel truly comfortable and happy. Thank you for joining us on this journey of styling your space, your way. We hope you feel inspired to start your own home decor projects and create a space that is truly yours. Happy decorating! Color sets the mood for your entire home. It's the first thing people notice when they walk into a room, and it can influence how you feel in your space. Whether you're looking to create a calm sanctuary or a vibrant, energetic environment, the colors you choose will play a crucial role in achieving that goal. Feeling calm and serene? Think cool blues and greens. These colors are known for their soothing qualities and can help create a peaceful atmosphere. Imagine a living room with soft blue walls, complemented by green accents in the form of cushions, throws, or even plants. The combination of these colors can make your space feel like a tranquil retreat. Want a vibrant, energetic vibe? Warm yellows and oranges are your go-to. These colors are perfect for spaces where you want to feel energized and uplifted. Picture a kitchen with bright yellow cabinets or a living room with orange accent walls. These warm hues can make your home feel welcoming and full of life. Start with a color you love. Maybe it's the turquoise from your favorite scarf or the deep green of a plant. These personal touches can serve as the foundation for your color palette. By choosing colors that resonate with you, you'll create a space that feels uniquely yours. Look around your home for inspiration. Perhaps a piece of artwork or a cherished piece of furniture can guide your choices. Once you have your main color, choose 2 or 3 accent colors. These should complement your primary color and add depth to your design. For example, if your main color is a soft blue, you might choose accents in shades of gray and white for a cohesive look. Or if you prefer something bolder, you could opt for contrasting colors like orange or yellow to make your space pop. These can be used for cushions, throws, and accessories. Small items like these are easy to change out, allowing you to update your look without a major overhaul. Consider seasonal changes, lighter colors for spring and summer, and richer, deeper hues for fall and winter. This way, your home can evolve with the seasons, keeping things fresh and interesting. Remember, a little color goes a long way. You don't need to drench your entire home in bold hues to make a statement. Sometimes subtle touches can be just as impactful. A few well-placed accessories or a single accent wall can add just the right amount of color to your space. The key is to strike a balance that feels right for you. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try painting a small accent wall or using patterned fabrics. Patterns can add visual interest and break up the monotony of solid colors. Whether it's a geometric print on your cushions or a floral pattern on your curtains, these elements can bring your color scheme to life. And remember, it's your home. Have fun with it, and let your personality shine through in your choices. Before you toss out that old chest, take a moment to consider its potential. Or that collection of vintage bottles. Think again. These items, often overlooked, can be transformed into something truly special. Repurposing is about giving old items new life and adding character to your home. It's a way to infuse your space with unique charm and personality. An old ladder, for instance, can become a charming bookshelf. Imagine it adorned with your favorite books and a few potted plants, creating a cozy reading nook. Vintage suitcases stacked high make a unique side table. They not only serve a functional purpose, but also add a touch of nostalgia and elegance to your living room. That old wooden crate? Add some wheels, and it's a rolling storage bin. Perfect for keeping your space organized while adding a rustic, industrial vibe. Get creative. Think outside the box. The possibilities are endless when you start to see the potential in everyday items. Let your imagination run wild, and you'll be amazed at the treasures you can uncover. From old furniture to forgotten trinkets, every item has a story and a new purpose waiting to be discovered. Take that old chair, for example. With a fresh coat of paint and some new upholstery, it can become a statement piece in your home. Or those old jars collecting dust in your pantry. Turn them into beautiful candle holders, perfect for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Reclaimed wood can be used to make stunning photo frames, adding a touch of rustic charm to your cherished memories. Even an old tire can be repurposed into a vibrant garden planter, bringing a splash of color and creativity to your outdoor space. A vintage teapot can be transformed into a quirky lamp, adding a whimsical touch to your decor. Old doorknobs can be repurposed into a unique coat rack, combining functionality with a touch of vintage flair. Even old magazines can be turned into striking wall art, showcasing your creativity and personal style. The key to successful repurposing is to see the beauty in the old and the worn. It's about blending the past with the present to create a space that is uniquely yours. So next time you're about to throw something away, pause and think about how it could be repurposed. You'll not only save money, but also create a home filled with charm and character. The satisfaction of transforming something old into something new is truly rewarding. It's a testament to your creativity and resourcefulness. And who knows? Your repurposing projects might just inspire others to see the potential in their own forgotten treasures. Embrace the art of repurposing and let your home tell a story of creativity, sustainability, and personal expression. In the end, it's not just about the items themselves, but the joy and satisfaction they bring into your life. Happy repurposing!